Hi, today I will be sharing about partial delivery module. First, we go to Sales, Delivery Order, New. I select a customer. If previously you have already done your sales order, you can just right-click, transfer from sales order. So as you can see, if you have partial delivery module, you are able to see document and item. You can either transfer by document or item. So if let's say we go to item, let's say for this invoice SO00034, in the sales order have 10 unit of antenna. Let's say I would like to transfer only 5 unit, so I put 5, and this one if 5 unit we just tick and OK, and then save. After you have delivered the goods partially, we can check on. So we choose the document to outstanding sales order. You can choose your date period, let's say until the date of April, and then apply. When you apply, you will see all the outstanding items will show out. So from the screen you can see for item antenna, original quantity is 10, you have transfer 5 unit, and outstanding quantity is 5. If you wish to check the transfer quantity is 5 and to which document, then you can press on the plus icon so that system will let you know the 5 unit have transferred to this document already. And also you can preview to choose the report. So as you can see, in right hand side there is a transfer column. In order to show only documents that have been fully transferred, you must tick on print fulfill item. Then system will auto capture the document for you. And apply. So let's preview. So as you can see in the right hand side, system will auto show out the document. The document has been fully transferred. Thank you.